Monday afternoon, April 20th. Here's a live look at the Front Range from our Viera wireless cameras there. I believe that might be Long's Peak, if my bearings say correctly. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews with a look at our forecast. Hey, Mary.
Yeah, hey there. We've certainly had some beautiful conditions over the last few days. We've had those increasing clouds across the area into the afternoon hours and a few stray showers out there. We certainly are needing the moisture, and it's a good thing. If you'll notice the graphic here, we've got another weak little system that's going to sweep across the southwestern tier of the U.S., and that's going to bring some showers a little bit more widespread as we move through the day on Tuesday. You'll notice with the current radar right now, we've got a few showers that are pushing off the Rockies into lower terrain areas that are primarily just kind of falling apart. There's not a lot of instability in the atmosphere today. There's not a lot of forcing mechanisms to allow for these showers or even most areas to really thrive on any shower activity. So anything we're going to see for the remainder of this evening will likely be through the mountain terrain areas and very brief and very isolated. Notice that if you shift your focus here across parts of the Pikes Peak region, look at that shower, for example, pushing off into eastern Fremont County and just south of Fort Carson. You can see how it just kind of falls apart as it pushes east of the mountains, and that will be the general trend for the remainder of the evening. This is the thunderstorm outlook for most of Colorado on Tuesday. The light green shaded areas are general thunderstorms. You'll notice across the southeastern plains, though, areas into Springfield and eastern Los Animas County, we've got a marginal risk for severe weather concerning some gusty winds. So that's going to be the concern for tomorrow. Notice overnight tonight, any lingering showers will stay confined across parts of Fremont County. Then we gear up for another round of more widespread showers for Tuesday. And these showers are going to move into a more of an unstable environment across the southeastern plains along and south of Highway 50 and could give us some marginal stronger to severe storms in the circle shaded area. Notice though, into parts of the Pikes Peak region, Lincoln County, parts of Pueblo County, in the I-25 corridor. This is going to be kind of an evening event for us tomorrow between about 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. into the evening on Tuesday, where we could get some heavier downpours into the region. As I kind of replay the same graphic and give you a little bit of a closer view here in parts of Woodland Park and areas into El Paso County, you'll notice the clouds really start to increase through the afternoon hours, but we keep most of the day part dry on Tuesday, and then we start to introduce the chance for some stray showers after about 3-4 o'clock, but more prevalent closer to the 5 o'clock time frame. I think this model could be overdoing it just a bit. I think the main key message here is anywhere between a tenth, close to a quarter of an inch of rain could be possible for parts of El Paso County before we'll clear out and dry out as we lose that daytime heating tomorrow evening. It is putting down a little bit of snow for parts of the Pikes Peak area. Highs will reach the 50s and even low 60s for Tuesday afternoon before that rain cooled air moves in. When it moves in, it certainly cools down. As many of you know, we felt that Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow, high temperatures region-wide will generally be in the 50s and 60s, so right around seasonal for this time of year. If you're joining us across parts of the eastern plains, better chance for moisture for you folks across the eastern plains, the Arkansas River Valley, especially as some of the farmers really could use some of this moisture across the area. It looks like we'll get some isolated showers and a few thunderstorms across the southeastern plains. Most of what we'll get here in the Pikes Peak region will be those late evening showers across the region for Tuesday. Notice how that chance of rain really continues for the next several days, with a drier period expected for Wednesday. Temperature highs are going to be flirting with a 70-degree mark as we roll through Wednesday and Thursday for parts of Pueblo, with that daily shower chance in the forecast. So not a washout by any means, but enough moisture pivoting through and enough energy is going to give us that chance for some afternoon really showers and a few thunderstorms across the region, just really indicative of what we're used to seeing this time of year for most of Colorado. Colorado Springs, temperatures in the 50s tomorrow, seasonal highs for Tuesday and Wednesday, better chance of more widespread rain for tomorrow, and a few embedded rumbles of thunder. That's about it though, but an active week ahead nonetheless. Heather?
All right, yeah.